Good morning. Today's project, we are actually, for those of you who are just following us, we recently upgraded our battery system in our 2022 New Camp Cirrus 820 truck camper. And Battleborn actually provided us with 300 amps of lithium that we had installed and a 3000 watt Victron inverter, DC charger. And we're now Battleborn brand ambassadors. Along with that, we're doing some testing because this system is pretty new to us and we're kind of testing it to see what it's capable of.
Girl, she's gonna get it.
She is gonna get it.
Bread's not good for you.
No. So today's project is actually, we've been dying to know if we can bake a loaf of sourdough bread in our camper convection oven. So today we're going to test that out.
While we're not plugged in.
Yes, not plugged in, and our battery's at 100%. So we're maxed out on battery power.
We've done this in campgrounds plugged in before, but just not unplugged.
Definitely, yeah.
So, we'll see.
Yeah, so this is the project today. So our inverter is on. We are unplugged from battery power. We'll be strictly running off our 300 amps of lithium Battleborn. And our battery is at 100, well, 99.7 now. I need to preheat this oven as high as it will go. It actually doesn't get really high enough for me, but I have baked sourdough in here before, and I'm going to preheat to 425, so for a half hour. So I'm gonna do that right now. So this only goes up to 425, and typically in a regular oven, I would go up to 475 to preheat. But we don't have that power, so we're gonna go 425 for a half hour, and then I have my little loaf over here resting, and Pistol's very curious about that as well. So as soon as this is done preheating, we'll pop the whole thing in the oven. Oh wait, I forgot the most important part. I have to preheat the pot inside.
That's the whole point of the preheat.
That's why I'm doing that. Yes. Pause. Okay. Let's try this again, shall we? I'm out of my mind today. Okay. There we go. And that pot barely just fits, so it's a perfect size. We'll get that nice and hot. We'll get this bread in. We'll see. Still doing good. I mean, it's been less than a minute, of course.
Yeah, up early. It's doing great.
Okay, so as you see, we still have 7 minutes left on the preheat, and our battery is down to 83.6. The first 15 minutes used about 10% of our battery, and then as it's come to temperature, it's actually slowing down the battery usage, which makes perfect sense. I keep it at 425 for the remainder of the bake. But of course, when I open this door to put the loaf in, I'm going to lose about 50 degrees, I think. So it'll still have to come up to temp. I'm really happy with how this is performing now. It's really almost using no battery now that it's up to temperature. So this is going to go better than I expected, I think. Okie dokie. Okay. Wait, wait. I'm gonna do 30 minutes covered and then 30 minutes uncovered. So yeah, we lost about 75 degrees, I think.
But the pan will heat it back up too.
Yeah, so we are at 79.6% on our battery still, and I have about an hour bake time left. So far things are going pretty good. I want to mention though, we are getting 0 solar coming in. We're parked under some trees, so no solar, not plugged in, and this is yeah, exceeding my expectations actually so far. Okay, we're just finishing up our half hour bake time with the lid on, and we're at 62.7%. So it's been an hour runtime so far with this oven. He's gonna pop this open, take the lid off, and then we're gonna roll another half hour.
If I can get that. Nope,
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. It is a process. Oh, it's looking good, you guys.
Yeah, but you can't see it.
No, you can't see it yet. Ready?
Yep. Smooth as speed.
Yes, you're good at that. Ready? Okay. Okay, another 30 minutes and you see I lost some temperature again every time. I don't know. There's no way to avoid that. We're at 62.6%. Okay, 5 seconds left. 2, 1. Okay, less than 5 seconds. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, we don't have to maintain the heat now.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, I got more color on it this time.
It's not too bad. I mean,
pretty good.
where do you want to put it? On the table?
Yeah, let's bring it over the table. We made bread. Let me check the battery. We're at 46.3%.
Which is no problem. We can go for days like that.
No problem. And this is probably the longest cook time for anything that we're probably gonna cook. You know what I'm saying? Like typically we'll roast potatoes in there for 40 minutes. This is an hour and a half.
At the highest temp it would go.
At the highest temp it would go. So I'm really satisfied with that. And we're not plugged in, we're not getting solar. So happy with that.
Well, I'm happier in a few minutes when this is cool enough to slice.
It's gonna be an hour.
It came great.
Yeah, this actually was one of the better bakes. I should have cut it a little deeper. But yeah, I'm satisfied with that.
This is what's for dinner.
Yeah.
Bread and butter.
Bread and butter. Doesn't get better than that. Well, there you have it. There was our taste, or not our taste test. It's gonna be a taste test. There was a battery test with our convection oven. We've been dying to know if this was gonna work. So.
Yep.
Now we know.
Sorry, I'm.
All right, we'll
just want to pick it up and eat it
we'll
like an apple.
see you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.